Hey everybody, what's going on YouTube? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I would like to talk to you all today about is the Premier Income System 4. This program has quietly been close to about a year old, but it is kind of hot behind the scenes. It's hot, but it ain't just on fire. You know what I mean? This is an amazing program. Like I say, it's probably about 11 months, close to a year old. And I'm it's a few people that's having a lot of success with it. I just put it like that. It's still got a lot more fire to be added to it, but uh this program is absolutely amazing. You're gonna get $250 payments to your mailbox. If you join me, you're only gonna have to pay 500 to get in. As you can see, I got 3 free spaces on my flyer, so that'll save you $750. And this program is just designed perfectly because this is true. This does work fantastic, and this will be the program for 2017 and 2018 beyond. And you ought to get positioned now. I mean, I don't even know what to just begin. But anyway, after you send me after you send me 250 and you send my sponsor 250, I mean the monitor 250 rather, you're gonna get a mail report to teach you how to approach the mail order business. You're gonna get access to our turnkey print and mail service. And then once you get your, of course, yeah, you're gonna get your camera ready flyers and all you got to do is mail. I say, I don't know how many ever you want to mail, but you need to be consistent. You need to mail every week or every day, every other day, however you want to do it. But make sure you stay consistent mailing, and you want your downline to do the exact same thing because I can't preach enough. That it's about duplication. That's how you really build a powerful mailing team. And you know what I mean? And like this fly say, this is what you call massive leverage when you get your downline and their downline to do the same thing, just rinse and repeat. I tell people all the time that imagine your name on thousands of flyers or even tens of thousands of flyers with the chance on each one to get a $250 payment straight to their mailbox. Like I said, this creates massive leverage. Also, not only are you going to save $750 because I got 3 free spaces on my flyer, you're also going to get the Premier Income Systems 3, 2, and 1. And with those, you got a chance to make $100 commissions, $50 commissions, and $25 commissions. So that's just a win-win right there. And you're gonna save the $750. Like I say, if you don't have time to go to your local Office Max, Office Depot, or Staples, or wherever you might be in your city, you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna get our turnkey printed mail service, and these people are great. The lady there's name is April, and April is very professional, and she'll knock your order out, with whatever, whether it's flyers or postcards or whatever, and they'll ship them directly to your door. So, the Premier Income System 4 is a win-win. It ain't nothing like get $250 payment straight to your mailbox. So, like I say, you're gonna save 750. You're gonna get the Premier Income System 321, your camera ready flyers, and your welcome kit. So uh there's nothing more else to say, but like I tell people all the time, nothing is gonna happen if you don't take action. So with that being said, I'm gonna put the link to my blog below. When you get to my blog, click on the mail order programs tab. And you also definitely want to check out my stamp programs over there because that'll help offset some of your mailing costs. It ain't nothing like getting hundreds of thousands of stamps. And that way you can have cheaper mailing campaigns, because most people don't cry about the leads and the mailing list. They cry more about the postage, and I don't blame them, because postage is very expensive when you do direct mail or mail order marketing. So you definitely want to check that out. And then if you got too many stamps, you can sell them 10 a book or whatever somebody willing to pay for them, or you can sell them single, 50 cents a stamp. But I'm gonna put the link to my blog below, and go to the mail order programs page and check out the other stuff I got. Also, subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. And like I say, you're gonna save $7.50 if you join me, and you're gonna get the Premier Income Systems 3, 2, and 1 for free. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.